So just make sure you're in a place where you can maybe rest your head and your neck, close your eyes. And we're just going to start by going within through the breath. So pay attention to the inhales, and maybe on the inhales you can say to yourself, I am breathing in. On the exhales, I am breathing out. And we're just going to allow the breath to assist the body and the mind in relaxing and coming back to a state of well-being. Breathing in and breathing out. And you can go ahead and imagine that the top of your head begins to relax. Your right eye and your left eye relax. Your right ear and your left ear, right shoulder, left shoulder, relax. Let the right arm and the left arm relax. The right leg and the left leg relax. The whole body relax. Just continuing with that inhale and exhale. Having a sense that right here, right now, there's nothing in particular you need to do or say or think or feel. You're just following my voice, taking this short reprieve in your day and releasing all thoughts of the mind to the universe and allowing the mind to become still. Focus on the breath. Relax the body. Allow the mind to become still. So as the thoughts come and go, just allow them to come and go. Having a sense there's nothing in particular you need to do. Not stopping the thoughts, but just allowing a gentle flow of thoughts as they come and go. Not attaching to any particular thought, but just allowing the flow of thoughts, and then easily coming back to the breath. And coming back to the body, relaxing the body, and then coming to the heart space, breathing into the heart, the very center of your being, that still space that's always within you. And as you breathe into the heart, allow the love and the wisdom and the understanding of the heart space to expand in all directions. And breathing in and breathing out. You can come back to this short, grounding, calming meditation as often as you like, anytime, even if it's multiple times in a day, but whenever it feels right to you, and you just need a moment to breathe, to recenter and recalibrate. You did a great job, and be so proud of yourself for taking this time. As you open your eyes, just coming back, feeling refreshed and restored. And thank you so much for allowing me to guide you on this meditation. And take care and be well.